Hello everyone. Welcome to chapter 3 Advanced Features of MS Excel. Myself Preeti Godha. In the last video we discussed about the charts. So today we will continue the same topic. In this video we will discuss about the chart tools. So what are the different types of the tools given in the chart? If we want to change the design, then we have to click on this table, or we can select the chart, and then we have to go to the chart styles. Under the chart style we are getting the change chart type. This is the type, change chart type. If you want to change this chart to any other chart, suppose that I want to change this column chart to a radar chart, then I can choose the other type of the chart and click on OK button. So in this way we can change the chart type, where we are getting under the design tab chart styles. This is the first way. Otherwise you can double click on this and you are getting the chart type. After than that you can choose any of the chart and then click on OK, so that the chart will be changed out. This is called as changing the design. That means you want to change the type of the chart. The next one is changing the layout. If you want to change the layout of the chart, then we have to click on this plus button, and then what are the different types of the chart elements we are getting, we can add it. Suppose that if we want to add the chart title, in the chart title we are getting above chart, centered overlay, and more options. Above chart, that means all the titles which we are getting, that is above the chart. Okay. Centered overlay, that means we are getting the center of the chart. This is the centered overlay. Centered overlay, that means overlay centered title on chart without resizing the chart. That means the chart is not resized. Then next one is above chart. It display title at the top of the chart area and resize your chart. Look, the title is appearing at the top of the chart and resizes your chart. Then under the more options, we are getting none option as the chart title. The next one is axis title. In the axis title, we are getting the primary horizontal and primary vertical. Look, the changes appearing in the left side. Primary horizontal, that means if you want to go for the primary horizontal axis title, the title comes below to the axis in this more options. Okay, so we can go for primary horizontal, that means the titles will come below to the uh, horizontal primary axis. And if we want to go for the primary vertical, the title is appearing to the right side. Look here, the title is appearing to the vertical side. If you want to go for the primary vertical axis title, then the rotated title is appearing. Look, the changes are appearing. If I am clicking on this primary vertical, the title is appearing and the rotated title way. If we want to make any changes, then we can select and we can write anything on this side. I saw these things in the previous video, that if you want to add any of the title, like that here marks are there, so I can write marks also. How we are changing? By double clicking and changing it. If I want to go for edit x-axis, that means primary horizontal title, then we can go for x-axis and we can write the names here by erasing this and writing the names. In this way we can write it. Then legends, if we want to go for the legends, then we are clicking on this and we are getting the legends. Under the legends, we are, if we want to go for the legends, this display a drop down list with many options like none, show legends, left, top, right, bottom. This type of the legends are appearing where we want this legends, right? That means all the legends are appearing to the right side. These are the legends name of the students, right? That means physics, chemistry, bio is appearing to the right side. Top, that means it is appearing on the top side. Left, that means all the legends are appearing to the left side. Bottom, that means it is appearing to the bottom side. The next one is data labels. The data labels, that means how can you display the value of each column of the chart. If you want to go for any of the, then data layout we have to choose. This is called as the call out, data call out. Then show the data items which is appearing here is called as the show. Then data table, that means if we want to add the table to our chart, then we can use the data table and show data table with legend keys. So the data table is appearing here. If we want no legend keys, then we can remove no legends. That means physics, chemistry, bio is not coming with legends. It is normally coming it in the left side. Now if we want to change the format of the chart, then we have to click the we have to go for the current selection group. That means we have to go for any of the format of the chart. Which type of the format we want to choose, we can choose it. Suppose that this is my chart and I want to change the styles of the chart, then we can choose any of the format from this is called as the chart format. If we want to change the shape styles, that means if we want to change this styles, then we can go to the we can select this and we can go for format group. Under the format group, which type of the styles we want to apply, we can choose it from this side. If we want to go for shape fill, then this is called as the shape fill. That means the colors are this names are highlighted with the different colors. Look at here, if I'm using this, then it is highlighted. This is called as the highlighter. If we want to go for any of the word style, then we can use any of the word style from this side. First of all, select the table and then choose any of the style. Whatever the changes we want to go for, like fill text, like text outline, text effects, then we can make the changes in this under the format group. Under the format group, we are getting this word style. Then if we want to go for theme color, then we can use any of the color as our theme color. If we want to go for any of the font color, then we can choose it from here. This is called as text fill, the color of the text. In this way, we can choose the any of the changes. If we want to make changes in the shape, then we can choose it from here. So in this way, we can make any of the changes to our chart. Suppose that if we want to change the color of this bars, then we can use it from here, values and names. Suppose that I want to change the color of this chart, then we can use the color from this side. And from the color palette, we can choose any of the color. If we want to use this color, then we can use this way. If we want to go for any different colors, then we can choose the different colors. That means whatever the changes you want to do in the chart, you can choose it from here. These three buttons, as well as under the design tab and the format tab. In this design tab and format tab, you can make the changes which you like to make on your chart. I hope this chart is very clear to you. Thank you, students, for watching this video.